making several different videos. That way I can upload them wherever I need to. But this way, YouTube videos straight up and down is
Look at that.
beautiful. Meet man counting.
That's it.
This is McMahon County, isn't it?
So cool.
That was awesome. That was awesome. Gracie, what do you think about this? I says, I wish she was here. Wow. Oh, I like those. With rocket edge, red glare. Bombs bursting in there. Grapefruit to the flag was still there.
That going up over there. Yeah.
Yeah, I like it.
Yeah, or is it just me echoing? Huh?
No. It's echoing.
I hear it echo.
Yeah, it's echoing. It's bouncing back off the mountain.
Yeah, bouncing off of these walls.
Yeah, the mountains.
Yeah.
It's coming back. We're in a bow.
I think
A mountain bow.
it's bouncing off these.
Yeah. And then,
Are they not? Is it
then
not?
now think about how this is built with a square
Yeah.
and the,
Yeah.
you hear the, you hear Amazing Grace bagpipes. Do you hear the bagpipes? Listen, bagpipes are playing Amazing
I
Grace.
can't hear it.
Right that way.
I hear it a little bit, but
Everybody playing the bagpipes. Somebody must have heard me.
somebody must be a Scottish man.
Yeah. I love the bagpipes. I play them bagpipes all you want.
Yep.
Well, and we are on Pikeville Road. We're on your road.
Pipe.
Well, we're on your road.
The Decatur Pipe.
I know you own it, so your last name, you own the last name? That last name's yours. Wow, they were pretty. It's like flowers. They're so like flowers.
You need to watch the end of it. Really.
Wow.
Is that not cool? Woo!
Surprise everybody knows that we're in city limits. They can't start firing their guns off. But I bet you in the distance you'll hear people in the country firing their guns off.
No,
That was awesome. That was awesome.
I try to tell you.
Okay, that's it, right?
Yeah, that's it.
That's awesome.
It's all over.
So everybody, happy Independence Day. Happy birthday, America. Let me turn it off. That's awesome.